So we're looking at finding the median of the following data sets, the odd numbers of data in the data sets. Okay, remember the median is the middle piece of information. It's part of the averages and range topic. I'm going quite so fast, it looks like the screen's blurry. So in our first data set on the left, we're going to start by ordering the numbers from biggest to smallest. From smallest to biggest, but you can order them from biggest to smallest also, as long as they've been ordered. And the easiest way is from smallest to biggest. So I'm just going to tick the numbers off as I'm writing them down. If I make a mistake, I can always use another method of dotting underneath or crossing them off. I haven't committed myself to crossing anything off, just in case I make a mistake. So when I order them, I get 1, 3, 3, 6, then 7, 8, and 9. So I've ordered them from smallest to biggest. And then the second step is going to be to using the crossing off method. Right? So we're going to cross off the first number in the list and then the last number in the list. Pause for a slight moment, then the first term in the list and the last term in the list. Right, and hopefully that should leave us with the final one. So the first, last. So we'll wait. First, last. First, last. We'll cross 3 on each side. We're left with 1 in the middle. Okay, that 1 in the middle is the median, because it's left on its own and it's in the middle, because we've got 3 numbers on either side of it. Okay, so the median is the last number left on its own. So 6 is the median. For the second one, got a few more numbers it looks like in that data set. So we're going to start by ordering those. Again, I'm just going to tick them off above as I'm writing them down. You can draw a little X above them or a dot, whatever you prefer, but don't cross them off just in case you do make a mistake, because then you'll find yourself with a little bit of a problem. So you've got 1, 2, 5, and we've got 7. Again, I'm just scanning across the numbers to see what's next. And we have, I think there's 2 9s. 3 9s, there we go, 3 9s, and then scanning across, we have 11 and a 13. So I've ordered them from smallest to biggest. Now I'm going to use the crossing off method. Cross off the first, cross off the last. I'm going to repeat that process until I'm left with just the middle number. This only works when we have an odd number of data in our data set. Okay? We're left with 9 in the middle. We've crossed off 4 numbers on either side. 9 is the median. That data set.